his toy, and he's never going to open it. To Enterprise 1 to beam up. Energize. Ready for lunch? One sec. Oh, good. Mom would have killed me if she found out I broke my retainer. Hey, can I run something by you? It's about Lakshmi. Sure, how are things going? We hit a couple of bumps. She lives over in Manhattan Beach, so it takes like an hour to get there. And she's a lesbian. What do you mean she's a lesbian? Well, you know whenever you and I would try to hit on women in bars and they blew us off and then we tell each other they were probably gay? It's like that. Except this time it's true. I'm actually thinking about doing it. Okay, so the reason that might sound crazy is because it's crazy. Look, Howard, you're in a relationship. You know you have to make compromises. Yes, but my compromises are about which bedspread to buy or whose turn it is to do the laundry, Bernadette's or my mom's. That's a great deal. We both get our parents off our backs. I don't have to come home to an empty apartment every night. Plus, once I'm married, I can finally eat carbs again and let myself go. Why don't you tell your parents you want to try to find someone else? You know, maybe one who hasn't slept with more women than you. Because this one wants to marry me. I might never find another one who does. So you're seriously thinking about marrying someone you're never going to have sex with? I can't believe your attitude. I thought you were in favor of gay people getting married. Yes, to other gay people. Do you hear how homophobic you sound?
What do you do? Take the box back shut?
I don't want a broken toy. Nothing. What? Nothing. I said nothing.
I don't know. I think it's a waste. Relax. I'm just looking at the box.
Perhaps you should look with your eyes and not your muscular Nebraska man hands.
What is your problem?
My problem is that I don't want you to break Leonard's toy, which you probably did by shaking it. She shook it. We all saw her.
Leonard,
You went over that muscle on my neck before I
I wanted to sit in this box.
No, it's from you. I'm never gonna sell it. Broken.
What?
Oh, nice job, man hands.
Break it? I guess Stuart sent it to me like this.
Yes. Yes, he did. That is a perfectly satisfying and plausible explanation. Let's all be mad at Stuart.
Yeah, I paid a lot for this. Let's take it over there and show him.
Absolutely. Wait! It was me. I opened your toy, discovered it was broken, and didn't tell you.
Why would you open mine?
I didn't, that was a lie. I opened my own toy, and it was already broken, so I switched them. You should talk to Stuart. I can't because that was a lie. Yours was broken in an earthquake, and that's a lie.
What is the truth?
My Mr. Swap Doll came to me in a dream and forced me to open it. And when the toy broke, I switched it for yours. Later, he encouraged me to do the right thing, and I defied him. And then I was attacked by a Gorn.
Okay, that I believe.
Bro, why the F do I sound like this? I wait this. Oh, my Roblox trash. Wow, a stall thirsty for more B.
So, is that one mine?
Yes.
Well, hand it over so I can open it.
Okay. And Leonard, even though I don't have one anymore, I hope you have fun playing with it.
And that's a lie,
Right? It's that Whopper. I hope it breaks.
Bro, why the F do I sound?
This is a treat. What brings you guys by?
Gosh, Howard told me what's going on with you and Lakshmi.
You told her? I told her.
We believe there's someone out there who loves you for you.
Well, actually, we kind of agreed to disagree on that one. But we both think you shouldn't marry this woman. So while I'm waiting for this mysterious perfect match who may or may not exist, I'm supposed to just be alone?
Not necessarily. I think we found someone for you to cuddle with.
Oh my goodness! Aren't you the cutest little Yorkie ever? You got him for me?
Her. We thought you two would hit it off.
I think we already have. Thank you guys so much. Let's go see if you fit in my man first.
Soar.
Like you're sexual on my ass.
Soar.
No,
Soar.
I know. The email I got was from the office of Stephen Hawking. He's coming to the university for a couple weeks to lecture, and he's looking for an engineer to help maintain the equipment on his...
No,
You'll be like, I know. A word of caution, I would not hear Stephen Hawking.
Thank you, Mom, for interrupting the voice line.
I suppose that could be considered offensive.
Boy, Sheldon's going to freak out.
Yeah, he worships Hawking. Well, I was actually thinking about bringing him along when I go over there so he can meet the great man.
It's really nice of you, Howard.
No big deal. Boy, a restraining order from Stephen Hawking. To the ones he's already got from Leonard Nimoy, Carl Sagan, and Stan Lee.
Soar.
I was going to revolutionize humanity.
Soar.
Ozone particle, and you said, Sheldon, it's 2 a.m. Get out of my bedroom.
Like it was 10 hours ago. What about it?
Well, I believe I've done it, and I'm only saying believe to sound modest because Sweet Sam Houston, I did it. That's incredible. Yeah, bring out the mat. Oh, okay. Read this. All right, so. This particle here is the boson moving forward in time. Thinking. Howard, you go ahead and eat. This isn't making sense to you. Revolutionize humanity's understanding of Higgs boson, Sheldon. You said Sheldon is physics. Yeah, good for you. And stop working on it.
You still going to tell him about you know who? Yep. Still gonna introduce him?
Not on your life.
Wow.